how to steal your competitors' keywords within 5 minutes. So let's jump into this video. First of all, we will search our competitors. Let's say your niche is plumbing and which is based on Dallas. So you want to see the competitors who are already ranked on Google with the keyword of best plumber in Dallas. Search with it and let's see the GMB pack. Let's see public service plumber. This is a website which is already ranked on Google, and with a simple strategy you can see all of their keywords, their blogs, pages. Just search on the link and you just need to write your sitemap.xml. Look, you can see all of their sitemaps. If you want to see post sitemap, you can click on it. You can see all of their keywords are listed here. If you want, you can copy all of them and you can keep them on your sheet. This is a super easy method. Also, there's another way. Let's say you want to see the location based pages. Just click on page sitemap.xml. Here you can see all the pages. Here you can see which pages your competitor have targeted for which locations. So you can steal all of these keywords. Now let's see another simple way to steal your competitors' keywords. Just go to Google and search F-Pilot. Here you just need to sign up. I have already created an account, so I'll log in. So this is my dashboard. Actually, F-Pilot is an article writing platform which also provides some free tools. Here you can see on the left sidebar SEO tools. Click on script competitor keywords. You just need to put the sitemap of your competitor, copy it, paste it, and click on search. Here you can see every keywords are listed here with the URL and the keywords. So row per pages, I'll click all of the, which is 213. So this is the easy method. I think you can export the sheet. You can now import the sheet that you have downloaded from F-Pilot. Just click on File, Import, Upload, Browse, and there is it. Insert new sheet, import. Here is it. Now all the keywords are now stolen from your competitor. I think this is the easy method to steal keywords from any competitor. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.